Yeah, so hello guys, how are you? How are you doing? My name is Luciana Creative and this is Luciana Realities, a channel that I created as a space for healing, growth and having fun. And how have you been guys? It's been a while. Like, sijakuwa nikimake videos for a while. But one thing about you guys, and I love you so much, is that you have been checking up on me and asking me to bring you content. So the other time I asked you on my Facebook and my TikTok, nikawaambia mnipatie zile maswali zenye mnaweza taka niwakujie, because I want to come back with the Q&A before I continue bringing the podcast and the rest of my contents. You know, and that's why today, hey, I'm not alone. Niko hapa with the amazing woman of God, the evangelist herself.
Hallelujah. Ramashakata.
Yes, guys, the beautiful, the creative BT Wa.
Maiza.
Yes, I would like you to look at your camera. That's your camera.
Okay.
When you're talking, you'll be looking at that one. Yes, so I would like you uangalie that camera. You
Okay.
say hi to our audience.
Hi guys, it's BT Wamaitha here and welcome to Luciana Creative podcast. So she invited me and I answered the call. So we are here
Thank you.
and we have the Q&A and I know it's going to be an amazing time, amazing moment.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I gave her like 100 questions, but
Yeah.
I got like 100 questions from TikTok.
All these
I
you
think
are asked from
tutakuwa na
social
part
media?
two. Yeah, ni ziliulizwa Facebook na TikTok.
Norma.
So I gave I gave her the list, nikamwambia achague zenye. Umechagua ngapi?
Hey, saizi niko na I think 11.
Akachagua 11 out of like 100 or
Yeah.
50 or something. So we'll have a second session. So kama unaweza kuwa na maswali zenye haziko kwa hii, mnaweza uliza, we will answer part 2 ya
Yes.
Q&A,
Yeah.
right? Yeah, and now I'm ready. I'm all yours. baby
Are you
girl.
ready?
Yes, I am.
Are you ready?
I am.
Are you ready? Do you need to breathe? Do you need some space to breathe? Do you need some free space to breathe?
No, I'm ready.
Are you
I was
okay?
born ready.
How have you been?
I've been amazing. I've been good, as you can see. God
Since
is
divorce?
faithful. Divorce from who? Let's start there.
Divorce from your marriage. Have you healed?
No, I can't call it a divorce. It was a separation because there was no marriage on paper.
It was a separation.
Yes.
So you're going back?
Like, I'm saying, like, it wasn't like something official on paper, so it is not divorce.
But the system in Kenya, we know if you live
6
with someone for like not even 6, I think 3 months.
Yeah,
That's
I was
legally.
Yeah, najaribu tu kujitoa ndio ikuwe rahisi kumove on. Lakini
Okay. So saizi umepona, umeheal ama you're still in the healing process?
Okay, it's so hard to know. Unajua, first of all, you don't know if you're going through. Opposite of healing is not healed, because I see people saying you're not healed, baby.
Meaning you're still going through some phase of the breakup.
No, I can't say that I'm going through any phase of my breakup, because sometimes I don't even remember I was ever married.
Wow.
It is until saa zingine watu wakuja waniambie something was posted on social media by.
What do you mean? What do you mean you don't remember you were once married and you have a kid from the marriage?
Sometimes I don't remember.
Like you don't
honestly.
see your son and you're
I
like,
don't see my son and I see the father. No.
wow.
The only time I remember he has a father is when somebody calls him with his second name. Yeah, remembering my son's second and third name, juu zinafanana na za babake. Majina zake mbili na za babake ni same. But every time I'm calling him Ryan, I'm looking at him, I don't see his father in him.
And in this whole process of breakup, did you guys actually involve your parents, parents from you and parents from your husband's side? Ama ilisha tu hivyo na hakuna watu waliingilia?
Wow, that's a good one. I would say, siwezi sema we have ever involved our parents, honestly. because I remember when we separated, when we broke up, let me say it like that, nilianza kuitiwa mabishop wa online. For me, I'm like, these people don't know us. They're just coming to us because they are online preachers. And I was like, somebody who has not been part of our journey can never sit me down to talk about my marriage issues. So me, that one, I said no. And
why didn't you show up?
Because I didn't want, ngoja. Bado another thing is that during that period enye walikuwa wananiita, I was so hurt and so mad. I didn't want to see the guy. So I told them I can't face him right now.
So you felt like he was going to interfere with your process of healing?
Yes.
Or something?
And then every time we tried to sit down, because we had tried, they know your weak point. They know you hate seeing somebody lie before your eyes. So he would make sure make up something so hurtful to you, ndio ulipuke. You get?
Ropoke.
So I didn't want that because I was healing, and I knew if I take time, I'll be calm. I'll be able to listen to him talk. So I said, mimi staki hiyo. Alafu ye unajua yeye alikuwa shajipanga. So the heart was on my side. Yeye alikuwa sawa.
Alikuwa sawa na, like, what do you mean?
I feel like he was so ready for the breakup. Tulikuwa ile stage yenye he was trying everything to get me out of the house.
Wait, guys, do you think men and women, nani anakuanga so ready for breakup? I think ni women, ama?
For me, the time I was getting out, it was a surprise for me. I wasn't, nile kitu naamkanga siku moja kuna realize the things that has been happening and you're like,
you just want to get over it.
Yeah, I can't even talk about this thing. Like, it's too huge.
Wow. Okay, so but you had a beautiful son out of this marriage.
Yeah.
What about him?
What about him?
How is co-parenting like in between you guys?
Okay, first of all, me, I'm fine and I'm not complaining, but the dad is not involved in any way.
Like, he's not
he's never been concerned.
What do you mean?
Yeah. Like, he's never reached out, I want to see my son. At a time,
does he provide for the baby?
Sorry?
Does he provide for the baby?
No, nothing.
Nothing?
No.
Lakini si tuliona amekutumia ngirimia.
Yeah, that one. That was for the cameras. Of course,
maybe
you can see
it was representing 5 months.
Kwani mtoi kula how much?
Unajua maybe yeye anahesabu mtoto wake, ama what do you think?
Okay, probably, maybe, I don't know. But the one thing is that me, so long as I'm able to provide for my child.
Yeah.
One thing I used to ask God, because I used to beg a lot last year. Nilikuwa nateswa sana juu ya kukosa chakula, kukosa rent.
Yeah.
Juu that time he used to provide. Yeye anapenda umbeg. Unaona wale watu wanatakanga ukuje uwabeg. Waniliwambia aki please,
I need to eat something.
Akikwambia nataka mkuje na mtoto pahali mflaunt na baby mama mwingine, like he just wants you to bow down. So for me, I prayed to God that one day if you give me ability to provide for this child, I'm not going to complain ati sina child support. So me, I don't get it. Now the fact that ako distant, we don't even talk, we don't have contact. For me, I feel I'm okay.
So you feel you're doing great right now?
Yeah, I'm feeling not like I'm doing great, but I'm okay. So long as I can give my child what he needs, I'm not complaining about co-parenting. Yeah. I'm okay without it.
Awesome. That's how it is when you have one baby. I was like that. I actually didn't want anything to do with my ex. Yeah. Yes.
And how was this? Nasi, it's a good thing, juu hauna stress sana. They can stress you, these people.
Yeah.
When you're depending
if you
on
let them. If you let them.
Yeah.
So you don't even talk? At all. Hakuna hata adi kulizia ama. Noma.
He's never even, I think the last message was ile time yenye alifungiwa YouTube or something. That's the time alinitumianga messages akaniambia, now nimefungiwa YouTube, you have sabotaged my character, you have destroyed my career. Now from now on, jua venye utafanya sitaweza kuprovidea mtoto. That was the last message I ever received from him.
Wow. Did you have anything to do with that? The YouTube? Like he was just accusing you?
Namjua. Yeah, I didn't have anything to do with it. But he's a very smart person when it comes to
But you too, you're very smart. Nyinyi wawili, nasikianga ndoa za watu wawili wakiwa smart haziwezi simama. Is it? One of you has to go down. lazima kukue na mtu mwenye achezi smart kwa ndoa, I think ndo ikue. Ama what do you think? Maybe.
Yeah, for me I played dumb for so long and I realized that you can't uwezi expand your wings bila kukua the you being the aggressive woman that you are created to be. Yeah.
So tell me, how has been content creation taking you, like inakulipia bills, take care of your child, everything?
Yeah.
Just content.
Yeah, I feel like for me it's not more of content but creativity. Yeah, like I have a lot to offer to people doing business, like they consult you for 1, 2, 3. I feel like that's what mostly brings something on my table. I'm a creative business developer.
And you have brands that you're working on with right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
But paying you well?
Okay. I can't complain.
You can't complain.
Sasa sema wananilipa vizuri wasikatae kuniongeza.
Ndio sema wanakulipa vibaya usifutwe kazi. Noma. So, kwa some of your questions pia zenye zimekam, kuna mtu alikuuliza, who is your celebrity crush? Who? Now, there are so many categories.
Celebrities.
Yes, like celebrity crush in Mugithi. Mugithi. Watu wa Mugithi maestro. Ni nani? Ama ni Eddie?
Probably Samido.
That's your crush?
Yeah, he's my absolute. From the time I was a teenager. From uko ma 2016 na uko.
Samido. Luciana is your crush.
You see the time I went on stage
you are
with him.
Luciana's crush.
Yeah, not like I would want him for myself. Like, unaona tu ile celebrity.
Why are you crushing on him?
No, like he's just a celebrity. For me, I feel like he's just my... I wouldn't want to date him or anything, but he's... You know what a celebrity crush is.
Yeah,
I know. It's not like something
but
personal.
Let me ask you, this is your celebrity crush, right? What if he was never married?
I wouldn't...
And then he asked you out.
Out, I would go, but I wouldn't marry him.
Why? Because he's a celebrity?
Because he's an artist. Come on, how am I going to marry an artist? Hey, no.
I think you get what you don't want.
Yeah.
You actually get what you don't want. Do you know what I mean?
No, I don't.
You don't want to be with someone who is in the limelight.
Yeah.
But you end up
getting there. Yeah, I end up getting those people like wenye wako kwa limelight, either business wise or music wise. For me, I feel like he's... Unakumbuka kuna time nilimwona kwa stage one time.
Samido.
Juzi tu.
Samido.
Did you see us perform together?
Yeah.
I was like, I told them, see, mi nilimwona mengia kwa stage. We had not planned that.
You don't hang out together?
We don't.
Tunakushuku sasa.
We don't hang out.
Wow.
Niliambianga MC wejua venye utafanya. I need to go there and perform with him. That was a dream of mine since ni waimuona.
Wow. Oh, Samido. I also love Samido so much.
Yeah.
I love his music.
And then he gave me hiyo warmth kwa stage. I was like, this is
like akakaribisha vizuri.
I was like, I'm
he's
crushing
a
on
good guy, right?
The first right decision I've ever made in life.
He's a nice guy.
I don't know. We've never hung out.
Like that moment, how did you feel about that moment?
He's a very nice guy. Ako na roho fiti. And I was like, hey, for the first time I've made the right decision in life. I make a lot of mistakes, but that was definitely not one of
Crashing
them.
on him or performing with him?
Crashing on him.
The second one.
Oh my God.
Who is a celebrity crush in R&B and hip hop? Mine was Chris Brown. Used to be.
I think tulikuja kuwajua sana juu ya social media. Like right now I don't have.
Oh, you don't have?
Right now.
Okay, mwenye ulikuwa naye your time basi kitambo in mind. When we used to listen to those songs.
I used to like Drake kitambo.
Drake.
Kwanza kuna hii song yenye ilikuwa inaitwa 101. Kama ni you're my 101, my number one, my only one, something like that. I used to love Drake.
Yoni ya majenzi.
I used to love Drake sana.
Wow.
Yeah.
Kuna hizi zingine zinaitwa genge.
Gengeton.
Yeah, gengeton.
I don't have a celebrity crush who does those things.
Hauna?
No, but Tipsy G.
Tipsy G, right?
Yeah.
Na ule wa kudumu.
Wait, nani?
Wa kudumu, the Diana's husband. Wa kudumu, the guy who had a very lavish wedding.
Bro, Patalo na D. Yeah. Right now I can't attract the same energy I used to attract that time. Yeah.
How old are you right now?
Bado niko 20s but tufikishe tu hapo. Nikifika 30 mtajua.
Tukifika 30, that will be the biggest celebration.
Yeah.
Haya, acha sasa tukuje hapa. Who is your celebrity crush kwa gospel Kikuyu
I don't.
industry? Yani hakuna?
No.
Hakuna type? Acha hizo.
Kwa gospel. Wataka niseme nani bwana wako?
Mwanangu.
I'm just kidding, guys. Of course he was a child.
Unaweza mcrushia by the way.
Right now? No.
Why? Why?
He's your husband.
And
I don't know him. I don't know most of these gospel people, honestly.
Does he look good?
What?
Does he look good?
On you, yeah.
Like not on me. Like ukimwona uko kwa barabara and maybe you don't know who this guy is, would you like?
You'll definitely know. You'll definitely know he has a wife. Why? Because he's well kept.
Lakini havai sharpshooter.
Nimesema he's well kept.
He's well kept.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Amenona.
I'm very careful with my words here, guys. You need trap. Utapata kesho mbitia niongeleshe.
Kwa nini sikuongeleshe? I think I'd actually love you more if you told me he's your crush. Why would I hate you?
Okay. That's a good one. Do you think I have a good taste in guys?
Who, you?
Yeah.
Yeah, you do. I know your type.
What's my type?
I think the next person, let me tell the people who actually watch you.
Yeah.
The next person you're going to see Luciana with must be a white person. Trust me. Atakuwa mzungu.
So naambia nini Eddie Gathenge? Oh. Juu niko na tattoo kwa nyumba.
Okay, Eddie, we shall think about Eddie. Hiyo simu nikupigwa inapigwa?
Inapigwa? Haipigwi? Iko sawa? Okay.
Okay.
Next question.
We shall think about Eddie later. But right now, what I know is that God is going to give this girl a white, rich husband.
Amen.
Yeah. Let's go. Who is your 911?
My 911.
Kukidhoka unaweza pigia nani? Kukiwa sawa, like saa zile unahitaji mtu, unaweza pigia nani?
Right now.
Eddie?
Okay. Hapana, siwezi mpigia juu he's always in Murang'a.
What is he doing in Murang'a?
I don't know.
Labda nakujengea.
It's a joke. You asked me a question and you're answering for me. Wape jibu.
No, I'm asking you.
No, my 911 is my sister's.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. That's nice. Like your sisters tu ndio unaweza pigia saa zile uko kwa ngori. Saa zile you need somebody to talk to.
Yeah, and my pastor.
And your pastor.
Yeah.
He must be a good pastor.
He's a very non-judgmental person.
Is he on social media?
No. Yeah.
Where do you go to church?
I can't say on camera.
Why? We want to come.
No, I don't want people to know. Come and find me there. You know, when I value people, I don't like to talk about them because I have talked about people I value and later things happen. So for this one, I'm protecting you. My pastor, I'm not mentioning you, but just know.
Protect that man of God.
Yeah.
So, girl, let me ask you, and people asked you, right now, are you dating?
Yeah.
Are you dating?
Yeah. Okay. So what am I supposed to say? Yeah, we've been on talking stage, but nimefika pahali niko like, yeah, I'm ready to commit.
Who are you dating?
Someone.
Unataka kuniaibisha after nimetoa prophecy?
No, like it doesn't matter. Like right now, it's like tukitafuta huyo mwingine kunaye bado.
Oh, hakiba haiozi.
Exactly.
So una date nani? Ni mtu tunajua?
Yeah.
Nani? Eddie?
No, I didn't say no. No.
Are you happy?
Very happy. Why would I commit somewhere if I'm not happy?
At least I know Luciana is actually dating somebody prominent, and I will make sure I know who this person is. and I will make sure I bring this person to you guys.
No, he can't. You will never even. Okay.
Are you looking forward to getting married to this guy?
No. If he proposes right now, I'll say no.
Why?
And he knows.
Why?
Because I'm not ready for marriage. I don't want marriage.
Okay, let me ask
I
you.
like that distance.
Let me ask you this question.
Yeah.
You have been married?
Yes, sir.
Umetoka?
Yeah.
Let me ask you. Equation, maybe italeta a lot of star online, but ukiwa kwa ndoa na wakati upo nje ya ndoa, which is your best moment, in marriage or not in marriage?
Okay. Wow. Okay. How do I categorize that question?
Wait.
But I would say,
considering the fact that in marriage you're not taking care of bills.
I was going there. I would say like when I was married, I didn't have to worry about a lot of things. Kuna hiyo sense of security.
Yeah.
And even if you walk naked, nobody will ever blame you. They will blame the husband.
Yeah.
You know, there is a lot of kutosheka. Unaweza amka hata decide today I'm sleeping the whole day. By the end of the day, someone is going to provide for me. So I think that's the most beautiful part of marriage. You know,
Yeah.
And another thing is that when ukiwa kwa ngori, there is someone you're calling, and this person is consistent. Unajua kuna vile bwanako anaweza kuhepa but hawezi kuhepa, itabidi tu akufe na wewe juni wako na watu asipokufa na wewe watu watasema unaget
alikuachilia. Yeah.
But when you're single, you don't have that person. You have to know that you don't have that consistency ya mtu mwenye ati jioni ukirudi unaweza mwambia hapa niko na shida, unaweza nisaidia hivi hivi. But I can say that I would prefer the single life. So siwezi complain. I prefer this. For me, I think marriage is good when you have a good partner.
Compatible partner. Yeah.
I would go for that any day, anytime. But because I've never experienced that, I would say I prefer the single life than marriage. Yeah.
Okay, so let me ask you. Do you feel in marriage you couldn't have the best life ever that you wanted?
Yeah.
That you can be able to achieve now?
Yeah.
Wow.
100%.
Really?
Yeah.
It was that bad?
No, I can't say it was that bad, but I feel like there is a lot of
It was limiting you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Limiting you from what?
I think I had a person who didn't just want me to progress. Yeah, he didn't want me to meet people. He didn't want me to start podcast. He didn't want me to do this and that. It was a lot of sabotaging. Yeah.
Do you feel like most married men don't want their women empowered?
Yeah, I feel like the best thing you can be as a woman is to do better than your man. If a man doesn't have money, make sure you have more money than him. But if he has money, just have money. But kama ni hawa mmeanzia from scratch, if you're starting from scratch, make sure hiyo scratch mnaanza wendo uko juu yake. Otherwise utawaipata respect kutoka kwa huyo mtu.
Really?
Yeah.
What of those who wenye wako kwa marriages kama hizo na wanapata respect and they get everything?
It's very rare.
The husband must be cheating.
Kama mmeanza from scratch na mwanaume, mtafika pahali I swear. I don't know why. Ukipata msee ako na do si sana kama mmehaso kila mtu side zake. The moment mmehaso from scratch, listening to different people, because I love sitting down with women and listening to them.
Yeah.
Wengi wenye wameanza from scratch, inafikanga point, mbona mnatu distract, inafikanga point most of them, unapata mwanamke ataumia on the way. But mwenye alichanuka aka make sure kwa hii scratch tunaanza na jieka mbele. Wengi hawezi teswa.
Somebody told me men love empowered women as long as they are not the women. They are women.
Yeah.
Do you think it's true?
I think that's a topic we should have on a podcast.
on another podcast,
Yeah.
right? Wow, that's nice. Hey. Kwa hivyo ndoano sasa hivi umesema ndo bado haundoani. Umesema kwa sasa.
I feel the best thing you can do as a woman is to do better than your husband. That is the best.
Don't you think that is competition?
No, it's not. Yeah.
It is self-awareness. I love you. Hey, another hot question that was asked by your followers.
Oh, okay.
What is your type of a hot man?
My type or my description of a hot man.
Description and your type of a hot man.
First of all, I find a man hot when he's a gentleman, first of all, over everything. Unaona huyo mse mwenye they are gentlemen just by nature.
What do you mean by being the
hot
gentleman
to
by
me.
nature?
Kuna mse like, unajua kuna wanaume kuwa na kiburi, they don't want to treat women like they are women, they want to treat women as if women want them. They feel like they are so hot that they can't be gentle to ladies.
Or like men who want you to bootlick them.
Yeah, I hate that. For me, even if unakaa aje, I won't find you hot, honestly.
Really?
Yeah.
Another description.
Someone who is at least akue na kifua, si light skin. Okay. Acha tu tuseme mi yangu sana sana sio physical appearance. Nitaanza kujitafutia bwana kwa show, alafu maybe mwenye niko naye hakai hivyo.
Atakuacha. Unataka kuachwa?
No.
Tena. Hiyo ingine ni uliachana.
Yeah, that one I left.
Sasa unataka kuachwa?
No.
Unajua Mungu anaweza mlipisha huyo mwenye uliacha na wewe uachwe.
Haina shida. Me right now I'm okay. Even if he leaves. Honestly, I'm okay. Like I'm having fun. I'm with you because unanipa amani.
And actually you're very young.
Ikifika pahali nione hakuna amani na hepa. Like
yeah. Anything that don't give you peace.
Thank you. Yeah.
Another question. Hey, Luciana, unajua watu walikuwa wamesema ati wewe ulikuwa una date celebrity. Unajua bwana yako alikuwa
okay, he's a content creator.
He's a content creator.
Not a celebrity.
So no, he is famous. He's famous.
Yeah.
That is my homie, by the way.
I know.
You know he's my homie. Ni wapale kwetu Gaturi.
I know.
Do you prefer dating local celebrities? Or I mean, local celebrities, international, ama vernacular?
That's I don't want to answer that one. No, I'm not answering that one.
You wouldn't go for someone like Diamond?
No.
International?
No, I don't want that.
Davido?
But I would rather go for, I think international is a very big risk because...
Big one.
I don't want to say that on camera. I don't want to say things zenye zinaweza tumika against me in future. Hiyo utaniuliza tukiwa na wewe.
Utaki wakukujia in future? Actually, you know the internet never forgets, right? Hey. So, another thing, and this, somebody told me, last week I was somewhere and then someone told me, siku hizi tunaona mabibi wa maceleb sana wakiachana na mabwana, like mna come out and then you speak out, you say what you've been through and you just want to open up your heart.
Want to talk about say wenda kumushabia or something.
Asa diko hodera ciugo icio riu no cihotherirwo ni mundurume, somebody who has not
mundurume araugire.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Mutu shabiagia, you know.
I know.
You know, for them, they don't understand maybe how you feel because they are the men. And you know, the men are the people who have pushed you to that. And then he was like, Mimi, I don't think I would be dating somebody who has come out evil. So for you, do you feel like maybe mtu akijitokeza hivi ukianika mwanaume ni kama unachafua soko yako, like wanaume wanakuogopa? Ama how do you feel, ama unaonangaje?
Okay, first of all, wanaweza sema wanakuogopa in public, but in private there is, usiwahi danganywa na mwanaume ati haezi date msichana amefanya hivi ama ameenda wapi. You know, they are just saying that to massage your ego first of all. You know?
Yeah.
So me naweza sema ati for example, for me, I walked out in March, but I spoke up in December.
You took your time.
And I wasn't supposed to speak up. Why have you spoken up? Me, I spoke up because this person is sending people everywhere you're going. They hear we are with who and who. They're sending you very weird messages.
And what do you mean by talking to people who are working with you?
Then, unapata, if you find someone, if you're working with people, okay, first of all, it's the first thing tumeachana, you have taken everything from me.
Yeah.
I walked out with 1,600 bob. You know, you're not paying my rent, you're not giving me anything. Umechukua vitu zetu zote, umeoa, umeendelea kutumia zile vitu zenye pia tulibai pamoja, kama gari mshachukua, logbook mshauza, unaget? Like you have taken everything from me. Na nimekuacha nyumba, umepata mwingine, nimeenda kuanza life from scratch with my child. And then after there, hauniachi. Ukisikia nimeshikana na mtu fulani naweza pata kazi, unawafollow. You know,
Do you think he does that?
I don't think.
You know he does that?
Yeah,
Really?
ask any guy you have seen me with online lately in private. Ask them, have you been contacted by this person? What have they told you? And after like, isipokuwa hivyo unapata vitu zingine basic ndio anahitaji, haizi kupea. Atakwambia ni wewe unaitisha ndo akupatie pesa utumie, but mtoi hahitaji. Unapata kama my child alikuwa amechelewa kuongea, he's using that to make you feel like bad mother, telling you you're not a good mom. Why do you think the first language ya mtoto inaitwa mother tongue? You're such a terrible mother. So those things, me I think yeye ndo alinipoke sana. Then kuambia dem yake ani text, I felt it was so much and it was getting me. And then, you know, the world cannot understand what you're going through. And I feel like it is until niliongea that I was able to stand up again. Nilikuwa na feel like, ushaisikia ni kama, naona boboe, hivyo vile nakuanga kwa hikyo kitu.
Ndani ya web.
Yeah, I felt like I was living in a web. I couldn't do anything.
You can't even stretch.
Yes, I couldn't stretch. But I felt like when I let it all out, I was now able to, because that was the worst that could have ever happened.
Was he cheating on you?
Okay, for me, definitely.
Like so much?
Wewe wacha. Sasa cheating ni kitu. What is cheating? Cheating ni kitu.
So cheating is nothing.
To me, cheating is nothing. Considering the things I've gone through when I was living with a guy, to me, cheating si kitu yenye inaweza nishtua. Yeah.
So unaweza advise mtu ameolewa asitoke kwa ndoa juu ya cheating?
Okay, siwezi mu advice.
No, kama unaweza poa chance ya kumadvise.
If it was me, I don't think I would have left. I would leave my marriage because my man has a chick outside. Yeah. Because most of them do. Yeah.
Wow. Okay. And do you feel like, do you have room for reconciliation, you and your ex? No? What do you mean?
For me, I don't. Like I actually even forget.
Okay,
I ever had.
You can never even reconcile mkwetu mabeshte and not even getting back together.
I don't.
Can you be friends?
I don't know.
You don't want?
No, I've never thought about it actually. Unless nianza kufikiria leo. Yeah.
Has he ever come out to speak about this situation?
I don't know if he does on his platforms. I don't know.
Okay, you don't follow him?
No.
Completely? How did you know he's married?
See, we kwanza
Oh, nice. Oh my God. No, but nyinyi,
we were your boys.
Yeah, you
were
and
your guys.
Yes, you are my guys.
I know.
And you guys, I didn't want you to break up actually.
I know.
And I was so much into it that I never wanted these guys to break up. But sasa ilifika mahali kanishinda nikanyamaza, nikasema achaneni na huko sasa msinilete.
I think mi nilikuwa, when I was married, I never used to speak up.
Yeah.
I was protecting it kabisa. Na hata sahi nikuwa kwa relationship na mtu. I still wouldn't go talking about you if you're my person.
Don't you think you had spoken before? Don't you think like keep talking about it, you'll never?
Before.
You didn't speak about it? How did we get to know on social media that you guys separated?
Waliandika message na beshte zake, wakanitumia wakaniambia ni post kwa Facebook.
Ukapost?
Nikapost.
Hakuna mahali ulifanya interview mkasema like the cause of your breakup and whatever
Probably
we are speaking
on my
about right
channel.
now?
Nikiambia watu we are starting again. Justi nilianza channel, nikaanza kulala chini. I started a new YouTube channel because it took my older ones. Yeah.
Oh, so the interview you did was never about him, yeah?
What do you mean?
The other interview that you did,
The interview that I did, I
about
had
the
already.
situation, the breakup.
No, I did. That one I did.
Okay.
Last December. Yeah.
And now, do you feel like do you think like if you keep talking about it, you will not move on from it?
No, I don't think I can go to another interview to talk about it.
Yeah. It is. So now you feel it's not worth it.
I can talk about it because it's my story.
Yeah, it's your story.
And it can never be erased. Even if I need to write a book, I can write.
Yeah.
If I need to act a movie, I can monetize it.
I actually told you to do a movie.
By the end of the day, that man took everything from me.
Yeah.
And he's still using my images and my child's images to earn money on Facebook.
What if he came back what if he came out and said he never took anything from you?
Si watu wanakujanga wanasema hakuna Mungu na wana prove.
Ukweli.
But is that proof enough that there is no God?
No.
For me, I spoke my truth and ndo maana hata akisema nini, I don't have to defend myself because I spoke my truth. I like to give my story than to defend myself against something that was said against me. So it's no issue for me if he says,
You are a very young girl and ambitious, creative and beautiful.
Thank you.
And you have a nice body. What would you tell somebody, a girl who is trying to get married at the age that you got married at?
Don't take a break. Even if you're pregnant, don't take a break from whatever you do. Acha uzae, acha mtoto wako akiwa 3 months, rudi kazi. Don't take a break. Even if your body doesn't feel like working, don't take a break because that's where we lose ourselves.
If you tell them to never take a break, you're telling them to keep on working no matter what?
Yes.
Okay.
Keep on working. Even if you take a break, take away from whatever you do for a living. If you're professional in this thing and you're working, usiache mwanaume hata kama ni billionaire kuambia ukae nyumbani. Even if you're earning 15,000, keep working on that thing that you do. Juu hata single mother haezi chukua hiyo break ya long. Jifanye hauna bwana saa zingine. Because when you become comfortable, that's when you lose yourself. Mimi naweza kwambia last year nilikuwa nakaa chini najiuliza, what can I do? Who am I? You can't even answer yourself that question. Usikubali waifika hapo. And I can tell you, huyo mwanaume, I have friends haki, wanapendwa na mabwana zao, wamefanya harusi. Bwana anakuambia acha kazi kwanza, nitakusupport. But the time utakuwa unajaribu ku stand up from hiyo period. Imagine hata kuwekea hiyo kazi, hata kurudisha hiyo job yako. Even if he will, ni after umefight sana na mwanze kukua na maisha zenye amungekuwa nazo kama ungeendelea tu na hiyo kazi yako. Better uajiri mtu ama uchukue hiyo leave inapewa nango ya 3 months. But don't completely.
So Luciana, unasema mabwana wanapenda wanawake saa zile wako pale chini, mabibi zao, right?
I feel like
hawataki wamee wings.
Wanaweza taka wamee. Na wanapenda sana watu wako pale juu. But the moment umerudi chini, hawataki upande.
Kwa hivyo nijichunge.
I don't. You are wewe you good.
Naweza kuwa
manufacturer.
Naweza kuwa niko replaced kimpango. Si unajua ndio nilizaa tu juzi.
You tell us. Do you feel like do you go to that board meetings together?
But I have never. Even before.
I'm talking about never. Like me, my position. I think I really love my space. Me too right now. I don't even think I would want to get married and live. Someone can marry me under one condition. We have 2 houses.
No, 3. What about the kids?
No, 2 is okay. It's okay.
Okay.
At least you have a getaway.
Kila mtu na kwake.
I'll live with the kids.
So, wasichana wenye wakona ukiolewa ulikuwa na miaka fulani, sijui ni ngapi. Wasichana wenye wanataka kuolewa saa hizi hiyo miaka, unaweza advise aje wakubali kuolewa ama?
Kama una feel nataka I can't tell someone not to do what they feel like they want to do. Some people got married at 18, like my mom. Right now almost 40 years in marriage and
has it been working like 100%?
My mom hajaitoroka kwa bwana yake. They have been hadi ndio maana nilikuwa nimeingia marriage na hiyo mentality. Babangu anaendaga anapata job. Amepata 20,000 anaekelea kwa meza, they budget it. They're like, hii ni yako, hii ni ya huyu, hii ni ya shule, hivyo. So I thought marriage was like that. Probably the most problems zimenikujia because I thought marriages are supposed to be healthy. I didn't know people come with selfishness in marriage.
So shida kubwa ni ati ulienda na expectations? Ukakuta si hivyo?
I didn't know I need to be selfish. I was very
One
generous.
of you has to be selfish.
Both of you.
Like unaweza muomba doa kwambia ana ameshinda kwa hao, lakini anaweza tumia dem mwingine nje.
Okay, I don't know. I can't say that. You know he wasn't rich. Enuna imagine modo rago chitina dareo naki. Erere akagia. So sahi probably mwenye sahi anaweza tuambia hizo story.
Do you think every man cheat?
No, I don't believe every man cheats. I
Do
believe
you
most
believe
of
there are
them.
good men out there who do not cheat?
I don't know if they don't cheat, but I know there are good men out there.
Who don't cheat?
I don't know if they don't. But definitely there are good men out there. The only thing I don't know if they are.
All of them are cheaters, right?
I don't
Yeah,
know.
you don't.
I haven't interacted with a
Me
lot
too.
of them.
Me too. I think the other I think and I think this is going to be the last question
Yeah.
for your Q&A. Hey, sasa
Yeah.
kuna mtu aliuliza kama uko na mbaba amekuweka ati unakaa uko na maisha poa sana siku hizi. Na kusema kweli guys, because mimi ndo niko na yeye na mimi ndo nimemuona leo, this girl is actually having a good life.
Yeah.
Uko na mbabas?
So
Nilikuwa nimesikia fununu.
nani ameniweka? Eddie.
Eddie.
Na mcheat yani.
Una cheat Eddie on Eddie with somebody else. Is it true?
With a mbaba.
Like mtu ako na do.
Really?
Mm.
Okay.
Uko na mtu ako na do? Tuambie ukweli. Ndio
The only
tukuogope.
thing I can say is that I have someone,
Mm.
which I'm not saying who it is.
Kona pesa lakini.
I'm not saying that also, but I'm not kept. I pay my bills. I feed my child. I support my family. I dress myself. Yes, I do everything for myself, and I'm so proud of myself. It's been
And that
like
is so beautiful.
Yes,
That is so
sijawekwa.
beautiful. Ujawekwa. So guys, mwache kushinda mkifikiria ati Luciana amerembeka hivi because amekwa na mtu. She has actually kept herself.
Yeah, time
Amejiweka.
niliekwa niliparara mse.
So
Niliekwa na mtu for 3 years.
3 years. Hiyo ni hii ya ndoano ama nyingine? Hiyo ya kuwekwa 3 years ni ya ndoano ama nyingine?
Si ndio hiyo?
Hiyo ni kweko ulikomekwa?
Sasa
Hiyo ni marriage.
whatever, but still
Si tulikuwa tunaenda kurashia?
tungerashia by the way, you could.
Eh.
But alikuwa najua hayuko hapo, alikuwa sha left kitambo.
Wewe na yeye nani alikuwa ameleft? Nilisikia
Ni
akisema yeye
yeye.
alipata notebook yako
Ando made a
umeandika.
message.
Ati alipata notebook yako umeandika?
Hii ni juzi nikikuja kumwacha.
Ulikuwa umeandika utamwacha tu.
Niliandika I'm healing at the crime scene. I didn't say namwacha.
Oh.
Ninge heal but
Of course, healing from the crime scene means that the next step is getting out of the crime scene.
But me alikuwa ashaniambia anataka nitoke aweka jenzi kadogo kunishinda.
Speaking of that,
Yeah.
do you think it's really good for a woman to heal in the crime scene?
I think that's a whole topic ya podcast mzima tukianza saa hii. Ama ni aje guys?
Sasa hiyo basi tufungie hapo. And ndio usikuja kuitwa mwizi wa bwana kama sisi.
What do you mean?
Usikuja kuitwa mwizi wa mabwana kama sisi later on in life.
Yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I can bet if you see me with a man, just know he's not married.
Oh, if we see you with a man, you
Yeah.
just know he's not
not
married.
married.
Or he has never been married before.
No, who said that? I didn't say that. Where are you getting a man who has never gotten married, and even you has never gotten married?
Even mine, the ex now was married to me, now he's married to another.
Yeah.
So he was married before.
Yeah.
Wow. Now, Luciana, thank you so much. You're so beautiful.
Thank you.
And you're so courageous. You're so intelligent.
Thank you.
So what I will tell you is never stop.
Thank you.
Never stop what you're doing. And I love whatever you're doing. And
Thank
what
you
I
so
know
much.
is that you're going to be great.
Thank you so
You will
much.
be big. And when I speak this, I prophesy and I speak the
Oh.
truth. You know, I am a
Amen.
woman of God. You are going to become what you ever desire to become.
Amen.
Hallelujah.
Amen.
Thank you so much.
So thank you so much guys for watching. If you have an extra question, you can pop it on the comment section and watch song ya Kwa Kinandoa by Eddie Gavenge on YouTube. Tell us how it is and tell him that I sent you. Sawa? And namwambia nilipe na nilipe vizuri. Si ndio? Yeah, so thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Now before to say bye, let us give this place a shout out.
Yeah.
Tuko Pazuri Arc na huku Kehiomwere. Guys, if you're there, you know you have a party and you want to have a party in a serene place and a beautiful garden, you can come to Pazuri Arc. Iko Kehiomwere, just after Del Monte. Uingie tuna hiyo barabara. Del Monte on the, ukiwa umetoka Nairobi, Del Monte on the right hand, ingia na hiyo barabara. Okay, Kehiomwere, and you will find this beautiful place.
Pazuri.
Yes. arc.
Yes.
Thank you. Bye.